Okay, so what I have here is the layout lines for this frame-handled knife that I'm working on. I spoke about in the other videos. What I've done is I've drilled some pilot holes to start the cut. There's several different ways of doing this, but I have a plasma cutter, so I'm just going to start at these pilot holes and run it right down through here. So what we'll be left with is about a 5/8 inch thick tang. So what'll happen from there is, as you can see, this area right here is narrower than right here. Okay, so when I go to put the tang cutout in the handle guard, it wouldn't fit. This is why we're doing a frame handle. Once I cut this piece off, then I can fit the handle guard up against the knife blade right there, and then I'll weld all this back together again, and then I can put the handle on. That's the only way, well, one of a few ways, but that's the way we're going to do it on this knife. Okay, thanks for watching and stay tuned. I'll have more updated videos as we go. Thanks for watching.